Hi, this is Mr. Gottwals in the chemistry department at the North Carolina School of Science and Math. I've gotten a number of requests for a little bit of help with dimensional analysis, so I thought I would make this quick movie to try to help you with this. The biggest thing that you have to understand when you're trying to do dimensional analysis or unit conversion is that you have to have some things called conversion factors. So for example, I can say one conversion factor is 12 inches is equal to 1 foot. Okay, so that would be a typical conversion factor. Another one would be 2.54 centimeters is equal to 1 inch. Okay, so there's another typical conversion factor. And what I need to be able to do when I do my dimensional analysis is rewrite these things as ratios. So I would have, for example, 12 inches is the same as 1 foot, or alternatively I could say 1 foot is the same as 12 inches. So when I write this ratio, basically I'm saying this thing here and this thing here are equivalent. 12 inches is equivalent to 1 foot. Okay, so, and I'll write them two different ways as for a reason you'll see here in a minute. So for example, if I want to say convert 36 inches into feet, what I do is I start with the unit I'm given. I've got 36 inches, and I'm going to use the abbreviation inch here. And I'm going to draw a set of parentheses with a ratio or fraction line there. What I need to do now is pick the ratio that puts inches in the bottom, so I'm going to want this one here. And the reason I want that in the bottom is because I want these inches units to cancel out. What goes on top is feet. So because I have feet, that's my target here. I now know I'm done. So now I go and just do the math, 36 times 1 over 12. Take the unit out there, do the math there, 36 divided by 12 feet, and that's going to give me 3 feet. Okay, pretty straightforward. Okay, most of the problems that you're going to be asked to do require multiple unit conversions. So for example, if I want to say convert 4.5 feet into centimeters, I'm going to start out with the amount that I'm given, 4.5 feet. And given that I have these two conversion factors, I have to pick the appropriate one that's going to put feet in the bottom. So 1 foot is the same as 12 inches. My units of feet cancels. But notice that I'm not done yet, because what's still standing is the unit inches, and my target here is centimeters. So now I'm going to need another conversion factor, and it just so happens that I have one available to me. I have 2.54 centimeters is 1 inch. So I'm going to put 1 inch in the bottom, and the reason I do that is because I want my inches to cancel. Up top goes 2.54 centimeters. I now know I'm done because the unit that's left standing is my target. So now all I need to do is pull out all my numbers, and I could sort of ignore the denominator there. Notice that my unit carries, and if I do that math there, okay, with my calculator or whatever tool I'm using, it's going to be whatever the number is in units of centimeters. So that's all there is to unit analysis. Typically many times what you're going to have is you're going to have multiple unit conversions in these problems, and the idea is that you always want the unit, you're going to want units to cancel all the way through until you're left with some unit there, and then you know that you're done. I hope this helps, and we'll see you online.